Hey, are you a sawmiller? Then tell me, can you mill 7 boards in 1 minute? Are you interested and intrigued? Then don't skip this short video. Watch how the Woodlandia log ripper 300 mills a 12-inch butt, 8-foot long log into 7 1-inch thick boards, all in a single pass. Notice how the log ripper cuts boards of different widths to optimize yield and eliminate the need for edging. It took less than 30 seconds to rip the log into finished boards. Let's watch that again. And this time, let's start the timer. One, 2, 3, go! As shown in the video, they milled 2 1x4 boards, 2 1x6 boards, 3 1x8 boards. It took 23 seconds to mill this particular log. They got 7 boards. In total, they got 29 board feet from an 11-inch, 8-foot long log in less than 30 seconds. At that pace, one could mill around 1,760 board feet per hour. It's pretty impressive, isn't it? And if you can feed logs faster, you can double the throughput and get over 20,000 board feet in a 6-hour shift. Not bad for a small or medium-sized sawmill with just a 2 to 4-man crew, right? If this machine catches your interest, check out our website in the description. Or just call Woodlandia. Have a great day.